How to apply a reflection effect or a reflection filter in any photograph or picture in Canva using AI. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply any reflection effect in photographs using the Canva AI. So let me demonstrate you the complete step-by-step process to do so. So as here you can see, I have this random Canva design opened up in front of me, and in order to demonstrate, the first thing that we are going to do is simply add any stock photo on which we will be applying the reflections. So in order to add a stock photo, I'm going to click onto this Elements tab present at the left corner. So simply click onto this Elements tab, and from here, as you can see, that I have searched for car. So let me add any image. So for example, let's say this image. Now we will be applying a reflection filter for this particular image. So to do that, you need to click onto this apps option present at the left. And then once you are inside the apps option, you need to search for the reflection. Or you can also scroll down and you might find under popular this application that says easy reflection. So if you don't find it here, you can search for easy reflection over here like this, and then hit the enter button, and you can see this application right here as well. So simply click onto this application, and from here you can read about this, that easily add reflection to your designs. So simply click onto this open button in order to open the application, and from here this says select an element in your design. So this is the element on which I want to add reflection, and then you can click onto this button that says create reflection. So simply click onto this create reflection, and here is the preview of the reflection. So from here you can choose the position. Either you want this reflection to be below, above, left, or right. So I want it to be present below my original image, and then you can also tune it, like this is the offset right here, and then here is the opacity. So you can change the opacity according to your specific needs. And once you are done with this, you can click onto this add to design button and just wait for the integration. And here you can see that the reflection has been successfully added, but you might need to arrange this particular reflection manually like this. So once that will be done, you can see that a reflection has been successfully added for this particular image. So that's how easily you can add a reflection for any particular image using Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.